Boom! Welcome back to the channel. I'm Hank Strange. This is StrangerPalooza. This is Nick. Oh, sorry.
You still ain't
You don't want none of this.
You ain't right.
No.
Hank has been battling the flu?
No, it wasn't a flu. Wasn't Covidicus or anything like that. Just like, what is that? Like
a sickness?
I think there's a bug that's going around kicking everyone's butt,
I don't want it.
Including me and Lola. So we're here at Sunshine State RV, of course.
Yes, sir.
We're looking at Midwest Heritage, the new stuff that's out.
New line just came out.
Because before the big Tampa show, we really didn't get a chance.
These were really finished for the Tampa show was kind of their big thing. But yeah, this is brand new 2026 Midwest Heritage on a Mercedes Sprinter. This is the MD2. So 2 seats up front, big fridge, lots of storage, big open area, and then the couch in the back. What's cool is it's a more modern take on the Patriot. You know, different type of cabinetry, different lighting, some different stuff. Still has the Freedom package with the 1,080 amp hours lithium, no propane, the diesel heater, hot water heater, like everything is self-contained. Yeah. Macerator, I mean, everything. This is the all-wheel drive as well. 24-foot Sprinter chassis.
Yeah, and then obviously Heritage is Midwest's like entry point, like an easier, more affordable,
and more
entry
modern.
point for
Also,
people.
it's a little more modern cabinetry, modern lighting.
Yeah,
you know, but the price is lower.
Yeah,
you know,
it's not your grandpa's.
This is not your grandpa's
Class
RV.
B RV.
This is not.
So, who buys the bigger one?
So, you know, we just had somebody fly in to Gainesville here, and they just bought a Heritage the other day. Went and picked them up at the airport. They were all excited. We got them here. And they wanted the Heritage, but they wanted to look at some other stuff too to see how it compared. And they were like, you know, I really wanted something more modern. Okay. I wanted something more modern that had a lot of lithium, that had the freedom to where I didn't need propane. I wanted a Sprinter chassis. So modern, no propane, lithium on a Sprinter chassis. Right. So that guy put the deposit on the Heritage, knew that's what he wanted, but when he flew in and came here, he confirmed after looking at everything else we had, that's what he wanted. You know, we always recommend people have a little checklist, like what's important, what chassis do you want? Sprinter, ProMaster, or Transit?
Well, until you see it and roll around
until you see it or feel it. So sometimes people know what they want. They know what they know. They know what they want. You know, you want all-wheel drive. Yeah. And you know you want a rear bath. Yeah. So then let's figure out what's all-wheel drive and rear bath, and then kind of pick from there. Right. And that's what this guy did, and other people do that same type of thing. We have a guy who flew in today from Colorado for the Storyteller Hilt, and he's like, I think I'm gonna like it. I want to like it, but he wanted to drive it and feel it, and you know. Yeah, he's getting a walkthrough right now, so we're hoping he likes it. He's got some lovely ladies
Cross your fingers. That just won that Lectric e-bike.
Yes.
And they're looking at vans.
They have a Thor Tolero, and here it is. We randomly pick somebody out of 1,000 entries. Right. We pick one person, and they come to pick up their Lectric e-bike. Right. Christian is awesome, by the way. He gave us e-bikes to give away.
Corey now won't ride anything unless it's electric.
So they come in, and we're like, hey, do you have a van? They said, yeah, we have a Thor Tolero. We're like, great, you need to trade that in. Like, you know what? That's why we drove it here today. Right. So they're getting their free e-bike and hopefully leaving in a Nova, you know?
There you go.
You never know.
That's interesting.
But it's a totally random draw. Yeah. They would not let me just pick somebody that I liked.
No, you didn't do it, right?
I had nothing to do with it.
Yeah, I had no clue.
I wanted to pick Hank Strange, but they told me that we weren't allowed to pick Hank.
No, I'm definitely not allowed to win.
I wanted to pick Andrew Schmidt, and they wouldn't let me pick my son either.
Right. So let's look through this and see, on the outside, what's the big thing people want
It's just
to take
luxurious, right? So everything's painted, nice grill, you got your nice star, LED high-performance headlights. Yep. You got your camera system.
This is all for Midwest. Yeah. There are some cameras on board for Mercedes.
So nice all-wheel drive gives you the extra 3 inches of lift and clearance. Typical Midwest. Like, there's nothing different between the outside of the Heritage, of the Patriot, of their line. Like, this is 24 feet 6 inches, dual wheels. I mean, super luxurious, great riding.
I wanted to give people like an outside look like this, Nick, because whenever I look at your videos, these things look so ginormous. Scale is really, really important. Okay, what were you saying before?
So air ride is also an option.
Okay.
Did you say you cut me off?
No, I never said that.
Okay.
I don't know where you heard that. No.
I thought you just said I cut you off.
You must be getting sick.
Okay, well, I just read your comments, and like 10 comments on every video says, Hank, stop cutting Nick off.
Somebody's cutting somebody off right now. All right, what are you showing us?
So I'm showing you, this is an outside shower. So pretty neat. You just hook it in here, hot water, cold water, a little bit of everything. You hook it in, and you got hot water and cold water. And then this is neat. This is the Macerator. So what it does, it is a big Macerator hose that comes all the way out, and you can dump anywhere.
That's
from right
longer
here,
than the van.
That is longer than the van. And the Macerator grinds all the waste, and it pumps it out through here. And then when you're done, I'd recommend having a little towel, having a little towel right here, it just kind of goes right in.
Yeah.
And this is great because this is where you fill, this is where your city water is, your black tank flush, your black valve. So you press the black valve and it dumps, the gray valve and it dumps. So it goes all the way. Whoa!
Oh, you actually.
So now it's in there and it's done,
Right.
and you don't see any of it. It's not under it. It's in a great place at a good level that you can bend down and do it.
Yep.
And everything's right there. So I love how they do that. And it just looks so clean.
Yeah, looks,
you know,
looks nice and
it
smooth.
does have a smart plug, which is great as well. A smart plug hooks in, and you plug in the power. But with the Eco Freedom package, you don't need that. And so a lot of people don't understand. The Freedom package has 1,080 amp hours of lithium battery. That's 14 kilowatts. And so with those batteries, you can run your air conditioner for 10 hours.
Yep.
You can run your fridge, your lights, everything can be run for 10 hours in this coach straight.
Yeah.
Because of those 1,080
Which, if you're in the humidity that we'll be getting here,
might be 8 hours in that humidity because it just runs nonstop.
The weather's nice right now still.
Beautiful,
but,
beautiful.
Yeah.
What else is nice is there's a second alternator that charges the batteries while you're driving. There's also solar panels that charge while the sun's out. And then if you plug in the smart plug into a campsite or a plug at your house, it also charges the battery. 5,000 pounds of towing capacity, rear bumper sensors. You got multiple, there's 3 cameras up there.
Those are from Mercedes. No, actually one of those.
One is for the 4-camera system, and the other ones are from Mercedes. I really love the look of this, right? So there are 3 seat belts on the couch. So this does seat 5 people. This is their brand new floor. So we'll get more into the floor when we walk in there. It's like a PVC vinyl waterproof boating type of floor. That's really strong, but really pretty. You do have your Alpine subwoofer in here with the amplifier that hooks up to the Bluetooth stereo. I love the pass-through storage. So let's say you got skis or a surfboard or a boogie board, or in your case, camera equipment or a long-range shotgun. Someone's doing target practice or a stand-up paddle, whatever it is, you can store it.
Zip it
all the way in there, all the way in there, and you can use all that as storage back and forth. The other
go to like Costco or
the other cool thing, I heard Costco's starting to pay their employees like $50 an hour now.
Oh, awesome! I need to go work for.
I need to go work for Costco. So you do have a big storage compartment up here, along with TravelFi. So TravelFi is the new internet router that Midwest is using in the 2026 models. Basically, it just makes it really, really easy to have high-speed internet. There's a QR code in your owner's manual. You scan it, you pay a fee every month, and you have internet. And you can hook your smart TV to it. You hook your laptop. You can hook your Firefly because it has that cellular Eclipse module. And now you can access everything from your coach on your phone because it's hooked up to internet. I
like the fact that you can access from this side and that there's a soft bag here for that, which is cool.
Yeah, and then the new screens.
Yeah, and the new
It's not a thing. It's a screen that kind of comes together and does that.
It's lighter weight, easier to use, take out if you need to.
You know what, if you don't want to use it, you just kind of leave it there like that. All-wheel drive, like I pointed out before, the all-wheel drive is brand new for last year, along with the 4-cylinder engine is brand new for last year.
So if someone wanted to, they could use this as, I mean, it's bigger than what we just looked at, the 144, but they can go a little off-road. Have you ever put the boxes and everything on these bigger ones?
Every day. Okay. So we upfit and modify these. We put boxes on the back. We actually got 3 RVs over there we're doing it to right now. Boxes, bike racks, spare tire mounts, ladders, all of that on the back. And we have it in stock, most of it. And Rover Gear's a great one. Owl is another great one. So we use a lot of different companies for that. You have a awning, Carefree awning with LED lights in it, power on it. You can control that from your phone. And then as we're walking up,
still got a power door.
All of the typical Midwest chassis have, so fully loaded chassis with power seats, heated seats, 10-inch screen, and we'll look at that here in a second. 10-inch screen.
This sense of, like, when you open this door, the sense of room here is actually pretty amazing.
Wonderful. You know what this is great for, Hank? I was just thinking about this. For a dog, for a dog crate, or just a dog in general, or 2 dogs, you can put it here, you can store stuff here. I love how wide open this is.
This is very cool, man. Yeah. This is something you notice immediately.
You know what they did? They used to have a screen that came out to here, and so they stopped using that screen. Now they have the soft screen. So they have the soft screen now. And the screen's great, so you just unstrap it, bring it together, and you got a screen. But when you're not using it, it just feels
this just feels so open, like so welcoming.
And I love the handles here.
Big,
There's a handle here. You got your power door button right here as well. Power doors on the remote and the power doors up front too. I did swivel both these around so people can see kind of what that would look like.
You got a little table back here.
You do. So here, you can sit here and you can lift this up for a little table. You have a plug, so if you want to put your laptop on here, you can do that. But then, like I was talking about, the Mercedes system, 10-inch screen, power door, adaptive cruise, digital rear view mirror. You have power seats, heated seats. These actually have.
Are these massaged?
These are massaged. You can also do the VB Air Ride. I know we've talked about that quite a bit. This can be equipped with VB Air Ride as well, which is really nice. And then that Alpine system in the back hooks with these speakers. 1, 2, and there's 2 more in the back. So you can have music everywhere. Yeah. So look how deep that goes back.
Yeah, look at that.
My entire arm can fit in there, and it goes all the way there. So lots of storage there. And something brand new for Midwest are these rounded edges. It's like a radius thing here.
Yeah, I see what you're saying, like the more modern Euro style.
The cabinets and the countertop, everything is radiused, everything is rounded. And this is made, you did an 8-hour tour on the Midwest factory, didn't you?
Right, yes.
I felt like I was watching a documentary.
It was more than that, but yes.
I felt like I was watching a documentary when I watched that.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
It put me to sleep
I hope you looked at every advertising.
It was wonderful. It put me to sleep.
Okay, good, that's the job. Job done.
When you were walking through it, I noticed you showed where they make all their own seats in-house. They make all their own cabinetry in-house, all their own wiring harnesses in-house. So for the first time, Midwest is not making these cabinets in-house. So they're ordering them from an Amish cabinet maker there in Middlebury. That's why they're able to do some different stuff that they haven't done in the past, which is like different colors, different, like all this is real rounded. I like how it's flush as well.
So this still has Amish hands all over it. Craftsmanship.
Amish hands all over it. So cool. I also like how it's rounded here. And then there's these nice LED lights up top. Really cool how they've made this more modern. You notice earlier I said this was real modern. So this is the more modern look and feel than a traditional Patriot is. They also changed some of the badging. They've changed some of the battery capacities. The Patriot can go up to 1,600 amp hours, where this is at 1,080 amp hours. So there's definitely some differences there in that stuff.
But you're still getting a nice big closet right here.
Oh, same floor plan.
You're still getting
big fridge, big freezer here, both of those. So this is what you get in the MD2. The other floor plan they do is an MD3, so that will be a chair right here. MD4 is 2 chairs, and then you go to a smaller fridge.
Right, because obviously you don't have the room.
Correct. Convection microwave, power fan, Firefly with the Victron. You can actually access the Firefly and the Victron from an app on your phone, which controls everything, which is great. And check these out. So this is flush, right? I love how it's flush. There you go. You press it and it opens. And soft closing there. You press it and it opens.
I can see the dovetailing and all that on it.
So nice. I also like how there's no handles here also. How this is just nice and flush and smooth.
Yeah, so, I mean, there are locks, as you can see. You just need to put your hand underneath.
So it does lock to where it doesn't open.
Because I know people were asking, like when we did the Tampa show, okay, is this locked? Is this not locked?
Double induction. And check this out, how it kind of comes to it's just real round. It's just a whole different look. So you got a rectangle sink. You got your home faucet there. That kind of, comes out, comes around. Very cool there. Big cabinet here.
Yeah, you can put a nice big garbage
can. So the shelves are there, so you can put the shelves wherever you want to put the shelves. But they kind of just give them to you to install, and then.
Oh, there you go.
That's your garbage can
right there.
I love how they don't waste the space. I love how they fill the space with stuff.
Go ahead and open up the bathroom.
Double bath. Oh, look. Remember I said that in the other one, how we need the mirror there?
This one's got the mirror.
This one's got it. So I like how the doors open wide. They don't just stop midway. They fully open. There is a shower curtain that can go here. You do have a sink that you can brush your teeth in, a shower head, teak floor, toilet paper. That is a real porcelain toilet. My throne needs to be porcelain, Hank. I don't want to sell no plastic throne.
That's right. I like this indentation that they're doing in here to give you
gives you a little more room.
This
is a fan with the LED light built in, and you got a second light. So when I'm doing my makeup in there, getting ready for our videos,
you use a lot of makeup?
Oh yeah.
Because this is all natural. No makeup.
So very cool.
You don't want to see Nick with makeup. He's too much handsomeness going on.
Too much. Yeah. I also like how these in the Heritage, the way they do these window openings are bigger, less wood, more of the leather, the vinyl look. I think is pretty cool. But these are very nice day-night shades.
I like that you still get piping. So here you can see like a brown piping.
Sharp
on the seats. You can see it all around here. I'll pass this over to you so we're not in too close quarters.
Oh yeah, you're still struggling.
Keeping my distance, social distancing is in effect.
Well, why don't you give us a tour, Hank? Let's switch roles a little here.
Even if a big dude like me could walk through here without going sideways on my hips. Now,
hips don't lie.
Will tell you I don't really have any hips, but I am still a big guy, so I like the room. I like the feeling of room in here. The storage in here is crazy. Like, this is huge. Look at that. That's a massive storage right there, man.
Like I said, you can access it from the outside as well, which is really nice.
That's storage. It's got the black felt lining in there. That's why it's kind of difficult for you guys to see.
But it's nice because when things are moving around in there a little bit, they're not clanging.
Yeah, it's not making a bunch of different noise. So there you go. More. The storage is awesome.
You know what's nice is you can make this as big or small as you want. So if you have something bigger you need to store in there, it is bigger. It's not just a single one, it's a big one. We have the Timberline heater right here, which does work on the diesel fuel system. You don't have to have propane for it. It all works through the diesel fuel. You have your 24-inch LG Smart TV. This is your Alpine stereo that works on Bluetooth. New upgraded, you have USB and USB-C and HDMI, everything right there. You do have some very handy cup holders there, and then another Firefly there with USB-C and USB. And this Firefly here, you can control lights, you can see your batteries, you can also control the air conditioner, cool, heat, dehumidifier, and automatic. A Lagoon mount here, so you can mount a Lagoon table here. You can have a table set up. This is the first year that they did memory foam. This is new for 2026. Memory foam in these couches and these ottomans. So people always ask how big this is. I mean, this is big. And it's comfortable. It's a good size here. There are 3 seat belts there. There is not a seat belt on this.
No, not on these.
But you know, this is they give you this board here, and you can put the board here.
Make one big bed.
To make one big bed. So that board can sit there, and it makes one big bed.
Couch is powered, but these ottomans are not powered like in a Patriot now.
That is correct. The couch is powered, the ottomans are not. But it's nice. I love these LED lights, Hank. I gotta tell you, the top lights, the bottom lights, this is just, I mean, absolute modern luxury feel in here.
There is like a table in here.
That's that Lagoon table.
Yeah, you got the same electronics and everything.
So it does have Apple TV built in as well, with the Travelfi and the cellular Eclipse module, so you can access everything from your RV anywhere in the country, anywhere in the world for that matter. And then you can see what your tanks are at. You can see you can control everything.
So I think I'm only saying this because the battery's about to die.
I was wondering why you were rushing me out of the RV. I'm like, this guy's rushing. I didn't even talk about anything in the back.
You gotta get this popping. No, that was actually pretty good. We covered a lot. I think we covered a lot. If folks want to see more about this, I really like this look here, by the way, because just look at how open that looks. If they want to know more info, how do they get that?
SunshineStateRVs.com. We have other videos out there, but we'll free delivery anywhere in the country. We'll fly you here. We'll deliver it to your house for free. Teach you how to use it, put you up at a campground for the first 2 nights to really teach you and introduce you to the RV lifestyle.
Absolutely. All right, I'll see you guys on.
Almost did it again.
Almost did it again.
I'm gonna wear a mask around you next time.
Yeah, man, might have to. We'll see you guys on the next video. We're out of here. Peace. Boop.